We have done a 4-day cooking course, and these are some of the skills we've learned.
We've learned how to slice. We did this when we made our minestrone soup, which consisted of loads of different vegetables.
How to make sure our mixture does not split.
We learned how to cream the butter on the top. We also learned how to knead the bread for pizza and just bread making.
We learned how to rub in scones. We learned some pastry and that we had to put it in the fridge, and we just learned lots of skills. Like Harry learned how to crack an egg properly, and I learned what the metal bit was used for when washing up.
We've baked lemon drizzle cake.
We did pizza and minestrone soup.
Sausage rolls over there.
Apple crumble. We cooked sausage bake.
Mince pies and the bread rolls.
We learned how to wipe a table to keep hygienic.
Communication when we're doing things in teams, like the apple crumble.
Just teamwork in general, just working together to make the best.
How to use a knife properly.
How to cut properly for through bread and to make the proper shape.
Maybe wiping surfaces, working safely.
Food hygiene and how to store food correctly.
And washing up.
This is useful for life in case you want to help your family if they're going to be late and they want you to cook something, you can do that.
Or you can even save money, so like you can make your own food instead of going somewhere else to buy it.
You can eat healthier instead of having fast food. You can just make your own.
And you can use wasted food, like gone off food. We made bread and butter pudding, but you can always put out-of-date bread in there.
I think it has been useful as it is a really good course to help us after school.
It's very fun and enjoyable.
We can all make different types of dinner for our families now. It's really enjoyable. It was really amazing to do.
I've been quite inspired, and I've already baked maybe some lemon drizzle cake at home already.
I made homemade pizza after what we did because it was really nice.
I made some lemon drizzle cake. It was really nice.
I made extra raspberry buns when I got home.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and we all feel like we're little chefs now.
Thank you.
Mince pie?